feel locked down. Say, honey, tell me, make we have a conversation. No, tell me all the things that you love, honey. Let me. I love about you. I love about you. I wanna tell you just how you make me feel. Oh, oh, oh. And I wanna show you how my loving is real. Oh, oh, hey, I am a see it in your eyes, say you feel the same way. Why you talk loud, don't itch, don't play. Why you touch up me, why you put it on me? On and on and on, you're a fantasy. Hey boy, say from the day I bless my eyes on you, it would be mine no matter what they do. And so I said, honey, let me tell you what I love, baby. Tell me all the things that you love, honey. What I love about you, I said I love about you, 'cause I heard you come from a good home. My friends say you are a good son. Your mama taught you all of the rules. So when you see a real woman, you don't run. You don't play the games the boys do. You stand out, you one of the few. I would proudly stay by your side. You don't even need to ask me twice. That I'm a shake and a twerk just like a yo-yo. Put on the makeup, put on a boot. Say them thing, they no face you pity, them don't know. Them a up and a pop and a eye. Hey boy, from the day I bless my eyes on you, I knew you would be mine on that what they try to do. Baby, come make we have a conversation. Ooh, I wanna tell you all the things that I love about you. Wanna get to know you. Oh, I love your ebony skin and your nappy hair and your chisel face and oh, your body and whoa, your mind and whoa. Tell me all the things that you love, honey. I just wanna get to know you from a social distance. Oh, baby. Say come and talk to me.
Because nobody can hug me up right now but myself.
You will never regret it.
Yeah, man, I will. You know, one thing.
What?
Sherieta, I love a woman who can cook. I love a woman who can sing.
Hey.
Lord. Let me tell you something. Me say, sing it again.
Let me. I thought I put on my glasses so I can see.
No,
All right.
that was nice.
Yeah,
was nice.
I love that. I love that.
Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're speaking about love for food and we're speaking about love for music. But can you prove that love? So join us as we test the awesome singer, songwriter Sherieta and see how much she really loves music. Mm-hmm. So we're going to do what would you do again? Finish the lyrics?
Lord have mercy.
Yes, man.
Finish the lyrics.
All
Make
right.
a challenge for you.
Make a challenge.
Make a challenge.
I will do my best. May I use Google? May I? You're not going to know anyway,
Well,
so.
no, we will know because you have on your glasses.
Exactly.
And you can open it. Oh,
We'll see it in the reflection.
Oh.
That's true. That's
Yes.
true. That's true.
So you can Google on
I
your
hold
own.
the phone down.
All right. So we're going to start. I think we have the lyrics
right.
across the screen. So
Okay.
Right.
Wait, what did it say? So hold on.
First,
it
says, since city's cold and empty,
no one's around to.
Love
no
me,
idea.
judge me,
it's from the-
hug
Judge
me,
me.
dump me.
I said judge.
Sorry. Right. Okay. I'm gonna give you that one because I don't know what that is.
It's the Weeknd's Blinding Lights.
Oh.
Do you know it? Oh, she said no. I heard that.
I think it's.
So you have to pick one of the four. So either love me, judge me, hug me, or dump me. Which one do you think it is?
You know, somehow I think I heard somebody say judge me. I'm going to steal somebody's answer.
Yeah, I said judge me.
You say judge? Because remember it says Sin City is cold and empty.
So you're thinking it's hug?
So I'm thinking maybe it's hug me.
I said
Okay.
judge.
Because no one's around to hug me because it's cold.
But if it's cold.
And it's empty. And there's nobody there to, you know.
Oh,
give
judge
a-
me.
What is it?
Judge me.
Oh, no.
It's judge? Look
Yeah.
at that. Would you look at that?
Yeah.
It's judge.
Yeah, because it play, you know,
Then
when,
that don't make no sense then.
you
Because
know,
no
when
one's
I say-
around to hug me, man.
If it's cold and empty, who are gonna-
Yes.
So hold on. If
'Cause
the
no
pla-
one's around to
hold on,
hug
but hold
me.
on. If the place is empty,
Yeah.
we are going to hug you.
Who are going to do it for judge you?
No,
Well,
exactly. Nobody now did it
I
for judge you.
mean, from an artistic perspective, I can see what he did there.
All right.
If there's nobody there, then
right.
Yeah. All right. So the
Alright.
next one is
Yes.
white shirt, now red. And the options are
Why no one knows. Or that's how it goes. Or my heart, it knows. Or my bloody nose. And this is on Billie Eilish's Bad Guy. Don't Google it though.
I'm going to go with
no.
the
We
first
are
one.
here.
So-
It's
Why?
fine. I'm going to wing it.
So white shirt, now red.
And she says why? No one knows.
Okay, all right.
I lean to that one.
right.
Little still.
What do you think?
Taj,
I was going to go to tropical. What do you say? What you guys say?
Yeah.
Why no one knows, that's how it goes. My heart it knows, or my bloody nose. What do you say?
Bloody nose.
Oh,
Bloody
God,
nose.
tropical.
And King Taj, what you say?
I say answer C because answer
Answer
C
C,
always
never wrong.
works.
It's always right.
That would me.
When in doubt,
So answer C would be my heart it knows.
Tropical
when in
get
doubt.
it. Yeah, that's
Hey.
it's Billie Eilish, so you can't expect anything like that. from her.
Tropical, get it.
So what was the answer?
It was C?
Yes, it was.
No, it was C. It was D.
Just D.
My
It was
bloody
my
nose.
bloody nose. And it's
There
Billie
you go.
Eilish as well, so it would be that kind of vibe, you know, like you
Yeah.
said. She's always a little
Yeah.
quirky, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Sharita, how you been though?
I'm okay. I think I'm okay now. Last year, I wasn't so okay.
Yeah, okay.
But I'm okay now.
All right. So we have our next song, and this one says, "Why are men great till they blank?"
I know this one. And blank options are forget how to be great, go and hate, go and irritate, which sounds probable, or you have got to be great. Why men
you know
great
A?
till they...
A? No.
Is that what you said, A,
She said A.
Sharita? A?
Yeah.
Negative.
Well, no, you can't.
Oh, okay.
Oh, hold on. I'm not sure. Hold on.
Negative.
What do you say? Why men great
Till enough irritate is C, you know.
till they have to go and
You see that
irritate?
throw me off now, you know, it's all these words that are in my head right at the moment. You see that A or D?
So you're not going to see this time?
No, because
I see them on work the last
Yeah,
time. You don't
them
know
on
the
work.
multiple
I think
choices.
irritate,
Tropical.
tropical, what you say?
B.
B?
B.
No, no wrong.
I know this one.
Gotta be great.
It's, why men great till they gotta be great. We all know that one.
Them don't know it though.
You know what I
No,
mean?
I
Because
knew
men
it.
are
I said
always
A and
great
B.
Yeah.
until they gotta be
Tropical
great.
never know it though, because
You get it, Sharito? You get it. You get
Yeah,
it. You're with
totally
me.
understand.
You're with me. Okay.
Tropical never do good no multiple choice, and that is no.
Let me get one right.
Just one?
One out of two.
Yes, exactly.
No, I get one out of
50%.
two. That's like 50%.
That's not a pass though.
yeah,
Yes.
that is
All pass like a woman.
That's a pass in
All pass
university.
like a
A university pass, that brother.
No, man. Thank you so much for joining us, Sharita. That was awesome. And the song, oh my God, I love it. Like Exal is all hugging up. Thank you so much for joining us. That was a pleasure to listen to you sing and to have you on the show.
Thanks
Thank you so
much.
much.
Any song request before you go?
No, I can't think of it right now.
Alright, sing it out. Sing it out then. Sing it out. You
Yeah.
sing and carry out.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
More hug up myself.
Honey, let me tell you all the things I love, baby.
All right.
Tell me all the things you love, honey. Tell me the things I love about you.
Love it. Love it.
Thank you.
Have a great weekend and be
You
safe.
too. Yeah, man, you too.